A public-private partnership is a long-term contract between a government agency and a private company to deliver a public asset or service. Often abbreviated as P3, these arrangements are common for large infrastructure projects that require significant capital and specialized expertise. Because these projects involve building major assets like bridges or highways, the contracts are designed to last for decades. The goal is to leverage private sector efficiency while keeping the project under government regulatory control and public interest standards. In a traditional model, the government handles everything. In a P3, the private partner takes on more responsibility and financial risk for the project. This chart shows how private partners typically take on the design, construction, and long-term operation of the infrastructure. Ultimately, the government remains the owner of the asset, ensuring the public still has access to the service provided. Public-private partnerships are one way governments fund infrastructure. Thanks for watching, and remember, this is educational content, not financial advice.